What's up guys? Welcome to another travel vlog. In this video, I will be showing you an Msc Seascape full cruise ship tour. Let's go.
A boat collision in the waters near Port Miami overnight. One man died and another was seriously injured, and people on the waters were stranded for hours as crews worked to remove one of the sunken vessels.
After a deadly boat crash leaves thousands of cruise ship passengers simply stranded. So a 30-foot boat hit the Fisher Island ferry early Sunday morning, leading to massive delays.
So it's freaking chaos over here, guys. Time check right now, it's almost 6 p.m. We just got here. We're supposed to check in at 3, but something happened. Like there was a ferry hit a yacht or something like that. There was a collision that happened here at the port, so everything's delayed. So yeah, look at that crowd over there. It's insane. There's the current situation here, guys. Look at that crowd over there, and the line goes all the way over there. The main entrance is over there. Guys, it's now almost 1 o'clock and we're still here in the counter. What's up guys? Actually today's the next day. I finally have time to walk around the ship today since it's our little break today. I'm not really familiar with where everything is right now, but I'm just gonna walk around and show you what I'll find. Alright, let's go. Wait. Before I forget, what happened the other day, there was a collision in Miami port. So they shut the whole port. So the ship was super delayed. We were supposed to check in at 4 o'clock, no actually 3 o'clock, but then they told everyone to go to the port at 6 p.m. So everyone went there. 5,000 people went to the port, and it took them so long to disembark. They waited in line in the heat, no food, no water, for at least 8 to 10 hours. We didn't check in until like 2 in the morning. Guys, it's now almost 1 o'clock. And we're still here. But this video is not to rant about what happened. I just wanted to tell you what happened the day before, just in case you saw that clip where everyone pretty angry about the situation. But again, I'm not here to rant about what happened. I'm here to show you what the ship looks like. Let's go. By the way guys, this is the elevator here. It looks nice and fancy, but I'm sure you've seen from all the other videos that you need to press your
6, car B.
which level you want to go to first before going in, because you can't press anything while you're inside already. Alright guys, I just had an espresso shot downstairs. It was pretty good. It really has the Italy taste to it. I'm currently chilling here at the lounge right now. I also got myself another coffee to go. As you can see, it's here. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like up here. Alright guys, so it's actually lunchtime now. We're about to go to the buffet. Let me show you what they have. Hey guys, this is what we're having for lunch from the buffet. And check out this view. This is their gym, you guys. So my little nephew's going to work out. There's my sister over there. Check out this gym. So this is the pool room, you guys. Wow, it's pretty empty. So she's gonna ride that, guys. It's currently closed right now. And up here, there's a basketball court. Check it out. And then there's this little jungle up here also, right next to it. Water park for kids. Pretty wild out here, guys. So many kids.
We're going to the kids club.
All right, let's go. So what happened, Sophia?
I think they're closed right now, but I'll be back in like an hour.
Okay. And right in front of the kids area, there's another indoor pool here. It's both for kids and adult. Check it out. And that's the adult pool, the infinity pool. And then if you go this way, there's this lounge. It's pretty empty right now, but if you come here at night, there'll be a lot of people here. Alright guys, so this is the main atrium. There's a bar here where you can hang out. There's lots of chairs where you can chill. They also have an espresso machine over there. Of course, alcohol. And then you go all the way up there. It looks pretty nice. That's where the club is. That's where we went last night. Let me show you a little clip right now. And here's another cool spot also to take photo. Currently taking a little break from vlogging. April Spritz. And this is the view from the back. Check that out. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to go to the first formal dinner. By the way guys, this is our assigned restaurant. There's my mom and my sister. Alright.
Wait, I have to look at what Frank.
Sophia, what's your order?
This mini pizza without this.
Okay, try it. Try it. Is it yummy? Alright guys, after dinner we're gonna try and get some photos, but we're crowded here right now. Check it out. Look at this crowd.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know who's the entertainment team knows that that's the moment. Around, good evening, everybody. Seven open chords.
Alright guys, I hope you can see me. The lighting here is not that great, but my mom and I, we're both ready. We're gonna go attend the white party tonight. We're gonna go party. Let's get it. Cheers, Mamila.